Today we're going to install a new thermostat on this 2012 Dodge Journey. I just made a video of how to remove it. Now we're going to install the new one. There is the replacement part number. Let's go ahead and open this up. There it is, brand new thermostat in the housing. And we'll go ahead and grab a bolt that I should have done firsthand. Here they are. We'll go ahead and put the top bolt first, then we'll work the bottom one in. All right, first one is in. I just hand tightened it. It's still a little loose. Now we'll go ahead and try to put in the bottom one. This one's a little tricky. It's way down here, but you should be able to manage. Just thread it on and try to hand thread in as much as possible. This is one of those practices you learn what she likes, what you do with your fingers. All right, now we'll be using a size 10mm socket to tighten this down. We'll start with the top one and go way down to the bottom one. Eesh, this one's a little tough to get to. What I'm doing is I'm swinging it. I'm holding the socket with one finger, letting it drop, and continuing. So it is a pretty tight little spot down there. Alright, just make sure it's nice and tight. Just don't over tighten it. It is plastic. Same thing with the top one. Let's go ahead and tie this down and not over tighten. Perfect. Now we'll put in the hose. Just like so. And we'll bring up the clamp. This one is an 8mm, so I'll go ahead and tie that one down. Alright, and don't over tighten this one either. It is plastic housing with an 8. Alright, and we'll put the cover back on. These little pins are going to go right in there and in there with those pins right there. So just line everything up. Give it a little nice snug so it clips down. Alright, and there it is. Now we'll fill her up with some coolant. We'll start her up. We'll bleed her from all the air, and we should be set. And we'll top her off. We'll just hit the cap. Yeah, we'll just sit it and then start her up. And we'll just watch the temperature. Keep an eye on it and an eye on the coolant, because now we just got to bleed it. So after you're done with the bleeding procedure, you're set. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you have no leaks around the new seal you just added or the thermostat housing, and you're done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Just keep adding more coolant to the system. Keep your eye on the thermostat and top her off with more coolant. You can see all the air bubbles coming out. That's essentially what you want to do. Thank you for watching. Then shut it off, wait a little bit, and repeat the process. And that's pretty much how you do the bleeding. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.